When looking for ways to make money online, you often see it, affiliate marketing. You can see lots of videos on that. Almost any company has an affiliate program. And in the internet, you can often read that people recommend, you know what, if you want to start earning money, just use affiliate marketing. You don't really have to invest any money up front. You can start directly and you don't have to do anything with handling customers, making sure that they're paying, they're getting their product. You don't even need a product. You could just pick products from someone else, promote them, and earn a commission. So I actually wanted to find out if that's working for me. So I looked on the internet, read a lot of things, watched a lot of videos, and I found actually a pretty good PDF document with lots of different pages on niche websites for Amazon affiliate marketing. So after I read all these pages, I figured out I need 3 different steps. First of all, I need a niche and a product that I can promote. Secondly, I need a medium of where I can promote the product and give some value about it. In my case, I started a website. And number 3 is getting people traffic to your website. So these are actually the most important 3 steps. And the first thing I did is I registered on Amazon Associate Program and joined the affiliate program. As you can see from this list, they have different percentages that you're getting as a commission. It starts from like 1% for like video games, but you can get up to 8% for like furniture. So once I got my account ready, I could now create my personal referral links. And if I send that to anyone and anyone buys it from that link, I'm getting a commission on the product they're buying. And not only on the product that they're buying that I was referring to, but also anything else that they're putting into their shopping cart. So if the person I'm referring is not only buying that product, but also some other products, I get a commission on these products too. So that's actually pretty nice. All right, so once I got my account set up, it was now time to find a niche and a product. And this is actually one of the hardest parts at all. And you need to spend a lot of time on that. I figured that out. So I wasn't really patient. I just wanted to have my product. I wanted to build my website and I want to get traffic and earn my first dollar with that. So what I did is I just looked on Amazon, scrolled through all the different products. So I just wanted a really basic product, nothing really too fancy. So I actually went into the bottles. I wanted drinking bottles, but I thought, you know what? Drinking bottles is absolutely not a niche. So I wanted to specialize on ecological drinking bottles. All right, so that was my niche. And the next step was now, of course, to build my website. So, you know, there are these services like GoDaddy, for example, where you can just easily build a really nice looking website, but it costs like, I don't know, like 15, 20 bucks a month, and didn't want to pay that much money up front. So what I did is actually, I just went on WordPress.com, downloaded WordPress for free, chose my domain also for free. I chose a free domain without paying for it, which isn't really that smart, but I really wanted to try it out without spending any money at all. So I got my website domain, I got the simple WordPress theme that you can use, which isn't really looking that nice, but it was fine for me. So now I got my website set up and I needed to fill it with content, of course. So I went on Amazon, looked for the best looking bottles. I actually tried some of them myself because I have them. So I wrote some articles about why these bottles are better than other ones, and I compared them by how much they cost, what their capacity is, what the reviews are. I read the reviews and summarized them in my articles. So I just posted a few different things. In total, I posted 6 content pieces, and then I was actually done with my website. All right, so now actually the hard part starts, and that is, how do I get traffic onto my website? Well, I actually had absolutely no idea how can I get traffic to my website. So I actually posted the link anywhere. I just was looking into the internet where people were discussing things about what bottle to buy. I just posted, you know what, here, I did some nice comparisons to it, posted the links and was hoping that people would go on there and maybe then click on one of my links and buy a bottle. But that never really happened. The other possibility, which is of course much better because you get organic traffic, is by the Google search engine. So if people are searching on Google, best ecological bottle to buy, they find my website, click on it, and then they read through the article without me paying anything for it. But the problem is, if I was typing any of these keywords, you know, like ecological bottles, comparison, what's the best bottle to buy, whatever, I was like, I really clicked through all the Google pages. I was like on number 8, 10, 15, whatever. No one was finding me through Google. So then I just waited and I wanted to see if I can make at least one sale. So let's look into the stats. After a few months, I had in total 71 views, 39 individual viewers, and I actually earned absolutely nothing. $0. So a few months, not really a lot of traffic. Obviously, I only posted like 6 different content pieces, so I didn't put that much effort into it, that much time. But I just wanted to see if I can earn my first dollar by just doing the work I did. I think my biggest problem was I didn't focus on the main factors for success, which is first of all, picking a good niche. This is absolutely important, and my niche wasn't really that good. It was way too competitive. And second of all, I didn't focus on actually where's my customer coming from. I built all these things. I focused on is the website looking nice? I was figuring out the design, that everything is nicely. But you know what? Actually, no one was finding my website. I didn't have any traffic. And I figured I'm actually in the business. If you're doing like an Amazon affiliate website, your main focus should be SEO and getting organic traffic onto the website. I didn't focus on that at all. I couldn't figure it out, and that's why I didn't have enough viewers and therefore no sales. So that's it for that. I actually learned a lot during the process, and I'm actually not giving up here yet, and I'm going to continue to try until I earn my first dollar with Amazon affiliate marketing. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.